Hey, what's up there, YouTubers? Black Zanny here with another random builds review, and today we are going to be taking a look at, well, camera's pointing down at the desk right now. What I'm going to be building this time is going to be something special, and yet I really don't know how I want to do it. So let's just tilt the camera up. So as you can see, yep, it's what you think it is. LEGO Voltron. Now, I've been trying to get my hands on this over the past few months after it came out, so took quite a while just to save up. So, the front of the box, LEGO Voltron, all 5 lines combined, Defender of the Universe. Okay, so bottom-wise, this is meant for ages 16 and up, and I'm starting to bump the camera here. I shouldn't be doing that. Oops. Alright. Set number 21311 comes with about 2,000. That's right, you heard me. 2,321 pieces. Oh, this is a building toy, and of course, LEGO Ideas number 022. Now, I'm gonna have to say I might be enjoying building this, but how I want to build it, I am not really sure. So this is more of a unboxing video, I think. So we'll see what's inside it soon. So already had a look at the front, so it's over, and so on the top of the box, LEGO Voltron, set number and where the components say they're from. Pause the video if you want. On the other side, hey, look, it's a Voltron, which is a crest, and shows actual size on the side of the box. Downwards, hey, Voltron's the face. And you got 5 LEGO lines with their color streams just about to form Voltron. On the back of the box, so got the 5 lines standing where they should be, along with a shield, and can build a sword. Hey, it's the lines that make up Voltron. Seems like they're forming it. So, and about 5 icons on the box itself. New LEGO products, LEGO reviews, gather support, and share your ideas. Or the other side of the box. What is this? French or Spanish? I can't read that. Oh well. It could be almost anything. And of course, warning! Choking hazard! Small parts not intended for those under the age of 3. Better keep this out of reach. And of course, you got 5 lines flying about. On the bottom of the box, not much, except it says that the whole thing is recyclable, except for the plastic bags it comes in. So, that's just basically it. So, grab our knife here, and of course, open her up. Okay, so now that I've unboxed the the whole set, wow. I mean, I've seen videos of this thing being built, but I did not expect to see so many bags. There's like there's about, let's see, what is this? I got them all numbered from 1 to 16? 16 bags in total? Oh, good grief. Well, I'm definitely going to have some fun building this. And of course, this thing comes with booklet instructions and some stickers. I think I'm going to forego the stickers and save them for some other time. But I'm going to enjoy building this. Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 booklets. Oh my god. Oh, well, this is a big build. Alright, now comes the most bigger question. Should I do it by line, by book? Well, I can see that it's pretty much in order. Or by bag number, randomly. I can see how this is going to be set it out. Oh boy. Well, for those of you who like LEGO or Voltron, or maybe both, and want to see this bad boy build, let me know in the comments which line I should get started on, or part or section, however that's gonna work. Alright, I'll probably just end it here for now and say tower deactivated. Please subscribe and click on that little bell for notifications if you haven't, and I'll see you all until next time. Bye.